Hi friends, Telangana Public Prosecutors notification is available. Please visit Telangana State Level Police Recruitment Board website. It is important note that the dates for submission of online application form will be intimated shortly through a press release. So date is not given. It is not available now. This is the notification dated 4th July 2021. Next, 4 important points. Number of vacancies 151, salary 54,000 to 1,33,000. Zone 1 68 ports, Zone 2 multi zones 83. Total 151 ports is available. Reservations category wise, OC general and women. Zone 1 multi zone 115 and multi zone T2 is 18. So in this category, other states advocates also eligible for this examination, open category. Next, fees structure is SC, ST, BC categories have to pay 750 rupees and other categories are 1,500 rupees towards the examination fee. Step 1, first visit website and register your mobile number and pay fee. Step 3 is application process will be start. So 3 steps is available. This is the photo and signature format. Prescribed format is available in this website notification. Before going to submission application, secondary school education certificate, education qualification, it is BLS certificate, certificate issued by the Bar Council, practice certificate, certificate of practice not less than 3 years, and enrollment certificate and study certificate is also necessary to upload the online application form. Next, go through some other details is available. Community certificate, that is BC candidates, and community certificate SC ST candidates who have wish to claim reservation economically backward also provide certificate at the time of uploading applications. Physically handicapped and other persons also upload applications. This is the important. SC, ST, BC candidates belongs to other states are not entitled for any kind of reservations. This is the candidates who weaker sections also filed note certificates at the time of uploading. BCE and weaker sections also upload certificates. Next, category wise reservation relaxations. The Telangana State Service employees 5 years relaxation, ex-serviceman 3 years, and NCC 3 years is exemption. Age limit is the candidate must have attained the age of 34 years as on 1st July 2021. She must have born not earlier than 2nd July 1987. Before going to upload application, go through the notification carefully, then upload your application. Next, this is SC, ST, BC's 5 years, physically handicapped 10 years relaxation. Next, minimum education qualification is LLB or BL. The paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 100 marks for 200 multiple choice questions. Paper 2 100 marks descriptive type questions. This is the paper 1 and paper 2 details. The important note is that available 200 questions per paper 1. In prelims examination, OC is 40%, 35% BC, 30% SC, ST candidates. This is the minimum securing marks of the percentage in preliminary examinations. Next, go through some important point in this here. When 2 or more candidates in particular category obtain equal marks, preference will be given to the candidates who was born earlier. ఎవరైతే పెద్దవాళ్ళుగా ఉంటారో ముందు పుట్టుంటారో వాళ్ళకి అవకాశం అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది ఈక్వల్గా మార్కులు తెచ్చుకున్నప్పుడు ఒకే కేటగిరీలో ఉన్నప్పుడు. నెక్స్ట్, మల్టీ జోన్ పోస్ట్స్ 68 posts is available, and multi zone number 2 posts are available in 83 ports. Different districts also mentioned zone wise details is available in this notification. Next, major acts IPC, CRPC, Evidence Act, and also criminal rules of practice, and minor acts are syllabuses, and all minor acts also in this syllabus, have in this syllabus. Please kindly subscribe my channel. All acts are available in internet. It will download freely. Thank you viewers. Thank you for watching this video.